Guys, welcome back. Wanted to talk about antique jar promotions and promoting these things. So, I have some jars and I want to go through with you guys and show you what it actually looks like. So, let's go at it. So, here's 10. Got those items. Skip animation. Let's do another 10. It's 48. It's going to do straight to 50. And then this should open it up. So, there's the Mystic one. And then I'll open it up for you guys to see, so you guys know what the tick looks like, and we'll upgrade it. So we open it, and we get the King's Fragment. Okay. So I've done this already, or that's the third jar that I've gotten, but I'll show you what it looks like. Here we go. There we go. I'm able to upgrade it. Okay, because I have 20 of the fragments. Promote it. And that goes to 19. No, this is just promotion. That's what it looks like. A total attack bonus. And I got 1 star. Okay, cool. I can't view it yet. There's some items. So, upgrading it, guys. Just to give you some tips, I didn't take it way too far up. 20 for the most part for these. That's 3 star here. Let's see, there's probably good here. It's still 2 star. So if you take a look here, let me finish promoting it. They're all 20, but I'll do one of these guys so you can take a look. Let's do all the promotions. I have the fragments to open it. Promote. Good, and a promotion. Okay, so let's look for item that does extra impact or extra attacks. Extra attack, extra bonus. There we go. I like that one. Attack bonus. We'll do those. We'll do those 2. These 3 actually. So these epic ones, the blue ones only use the sand to upgrade, and that's it. So let's see if there's any. We'll do this one for you guys. The sands, every 10, you'll see a bonus on the second attribute. So here we go. So you see all 10. It takes only sand, but when it hits the number 30, you get an attributes. I'm sorry, I take that back. It does take these purple ones, and it gives you the second attribute. So that's every 10 of level. So it'll be 40, 50, 60, 70, etc., etc. Right? So that's the blue one. And then for the epic ones, it takes sands, of course. And then when you get to 29, here's going 29 to 30, it takes these, same thing, these epic ones. So the blue and the epics both take these materials to upgrade them to the next tier. So it's 30. So you can see here, it takes 20. So it just increases. These ones take 10. Extra HP here. And then the other ones take 20. Oh, they both take 20. I take that back. So they do take 20s, whether it is blue or epics. And if you ask me if it takes the same amount of epics stones, I would just upgrade the epics, to be honest, and skip out on the blues until later. Legendaries, let's look for extra impact. So this one is X HP. So these ones take this, as you can see, legendary materials. So it takes 40. So there you go. Goes that. That's extra HP. extra attack, extra bonus, extra armor. I like to go with extra attack and extra bonuses, as well as impact. So that's my preference. I think it's more of a beneficial of a buff. 49, here we go. See, half percentage, that's a good buff. And then we'll go with this one, extra impact. Half percent, there you go, brings it to there. We're at 50, I'll probably go to 60. Just so you guys get the full 3% impact bonus right there. Ooh, it takes 100. So as you go higher, this costs more materials to upgrade or imbue. So I don't have enough yet, so I'll have to wait for this one. And then with this one, I don't have enough yet. But for the mystics, it's the same thing. When you go to 10 to 20, you have to use the mystic stones. And you get those through, it tells you. From expedition, killing sea monsters, and voyages. So depending on the levels, I think it's like A and B, you can get those stuff like that. And then this thing, the bond is really nice too. So the bond just basically says that if you have all those items in that set, you'll get that final damage bonus. And then as you increase their stars, this one will increase as well. So here, if you can see for the Royal Carnival, I have all 3 pieces, all 1 star. So then you can see the effect. So I have all 3 items plus the 1 star, and it gives me a 0.4 damage reduction. So as I increase the stars, the effect should increase as well. So that's what it looks like. Fortune telling, I do have, I believe, all of this set, but it's not activated yet because I do not have the pink gem brooch at 1 star yet. So as soon as I get the pink gem brooch, which is, I believe, this one, if I get it to 1 star, you'll see an increase for the overall bond, right? So that's how it works for upgrading the antiques. Right now, it seems to me that only the Emerald Sea is open. I'm assuming as time goes by, next week the jars will be open to the next one. So we'll scroll over to Scorching, Gilded, and then so forth. The Cayenne. So that's what it looks like for the upgrades. Pretty much of what I've picked up on and learned. And I think that's pretty much it for the upgrading for tutorial. Yeah, that's it. That's what I would do for all that upgrade, guys. There's also the store. For the ancient store, I haven't been able to get these taken yet, but it says antique promotion. So I'm assuming when you're promoting the items here, like we were looking at, promoting it, when you have enough of it, not in view, but promoting it, which is right here, you'll probably get some of those coins as it goes up higher. Other than that, the sunken store, nope, not sunken store, the time store. The time store is right here, guys. And these tokens you obtain through opening jars. So the more jars you open, the more tokens you'll get to spend here. So that's what it looks like. So that's where they come from, guys. If you need more here, I'll show you. We have 2.9. Let's open some of these guys. And then if we look at store, we're at 3.3 now. Right? So that's what it is, and that's how you get it. I'll be able to pick this up and upgrade the other one later. But that's pretty much what I've picked up so far on upgrading antiques, guys. Hope this tutorial or information video was helpful. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.